10 investments sa mga magagastos na millennials. Number 1, Pag-ibig or SSS Investment Program. Guaranteed to ng Philippine government at ang MP2 minimum na niyan ay 500 pesos while 1,000 pesos naman ang minimum sa SSS. Number 2, VUL or Variable Unit Link Insurance sa may investment. Ang minimum naman dito ay 2,000 pesos. So protected ka na while your money grow. Number 3, bonds, either government or corporate bonds. Magandang investment to kasi maliit lang ang risk pero syempre expect nyo lang din na mababa lang din yung interest rate na makukuha nyo dito. Ang minimum naman nito ay nasa around 5 to 10,000. Kung government bonds yan, makapagsimula kayo kasi ina-announce yan ng National Treasury or Bureau of the Treasury. Ina-announce nila yan kapag uutang sila. Number 4 is mutual funds. Ito yung mga investment na may professionals na nag-i-invest on your behalf. Kadalasan diversified to, naka-invest sa stock market or bonds din. At in-offer to ng mga brokerage company. Maganda to for long term at ang minimum dito ay 5,000 pesos. Number 5 is UIT, ito Unit Investment Trust Fund. Pareha sila sa mutual funds, ang pinakaiba lang nila, in-offer to ng mga bank. At ang minimum naman nito ay 1,000 pesos. Number 6 is small business. Kahit 5,000 lang, kung may passions ka, hobby, pwede mo makapitalize yan. Number 7 is magandang investment to. One of the best is investing in yourself. Learn new skills, attend kayo ng mga training seminars, or find your mentor. Number 8 is P2P lending. So kung may spare ka na 5,000, you can fund microloans sa mga P2P platforms. Sample, Blend.ph, Ako Din, Enfundco, etc. Number 9, website flipping. So hindi lang bahay yung pwedeng i-flip na pati website pwede. Dito you should have SEO knowledge at nakakarap ka talaga ng mga great content. Malaki yung mga income potential dito and minimum dito siguro 10,000. Lastly, retirement fund. Pero dito pwede na yung 20,000 na minimum per year per year 20,000. Kasi hindi naman tayo habang buhay na mag-work, ganyan. Syempre, there will be a time na hindi na kakayanin na katawan natin na mag-work or mag-stop tayo mag-work or enjoy na lang natin yung buhay. So, kung tatanong ka saan mo invest ng 20k, consult ka sa financial advisor mo for them to recommend you the best investment vehicle for your retirement. So, kung nagustuhan mo yung mga ganitong content, ano mo nagagawin mo?